You gotta be. Is that your partner you?
No, it's for my son's medication.
Well, you're not with them, so who's giving him the medication? Wait, it's for Hartman. Do you want to text him?
Nah, he's fine. I
I hope so. Can you text him just for the sake of my mental health?
have to call the Ronald McDonald House. Everybody can answer.
Just leave.
All right.
For the sake- No, not right here. She's calling right now, camera. Hey, Bruce?
Hello?
Yeah,
Hey,
Bruce. I got it.
Here.
Bruce. Bruce, listen. I need you to take your medication.
It's mommy.
It's mom. I'm just reminding you to take your medication, okay? Can you just do it right now while we're on the phone?
Oh my God, I do that.
If you gotta crush it up and sniff it, you gotta do it right now.